G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field it is, but the rules in millimetres, material's wetter than the white that you're seeing there's the light reflecting. This piece in particular, it's a nice piece. This piece will have a bit of sand in it, and that bit's more or less thrown in. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at them. The light reflecting off the water's not making it easy to see, but it's nice and thick. That's the back, so the stone should polish up nice. It's hard stone. Second piece. Could just cut it out there and have a stone, and cut this as a separate one. But before you do that, I'd grind this out. Grind this out and see if there's more colour under here. Lucky last, there's brilliant colour on the end there. So seam running through here. Whether it marries up or not comes out here by the looks. But there's a stone on the end there as it is. Whether that comes out, whether some of this comes out or not, it's hard to tell till you actually start sanding it. I think that it will. And then there's possibly another stone underneath that. Nice hard material there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.